Free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Hello, I'm Avidu from myoutdoorplans.com. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're building a sleek and functional modern firewood shed that keeps your wood dry, organized, and ready to use year-round. Cut the 2x6 lumber to size and assemble the floor frame on a level surface. Secure the joists with 3.5-inch screws, spacing them 16 inches on center. Place the 4x4 skids evenly underneath, then attach the frame to the skids using rafter ties and structural screws for a strong foundation. Cut the 2x4 lumber for the corner and side uprights. Secure them to the floor frame using 3-inch lag screws, ensuring they are plumb. Once the posts are in place, attach the front and back support beams, reinforcing the joints with L ties and T ties for added stability. Cut the 2x4 rafters, making 9.5-degree angle cuts at both ends for a proper fit. Mark and cut notches at the top and bottom to help them sit securely on the support beams. Space the rafters 24 inches on center, drill pilot holes, and secure them with 4.5-inch screws. Lay out the 1x4 purlins across the rafters, spacing them 24 inches on center. Secure them with 2.5-inch screws. Install the metal roofing panels, overlapping them for proper water drainage, and secure them with roofing screws. Add a drip edge along the sides and flashing where needed for extra weather protection. Sand any rough edges and apply an exterior wood stain or sealer to protect the shed from the elements. Check all screws and fasteners to ensure everything is secure. For extra stability, place gravel or pavers under the shed to improve drainage and prevent moisture buildup around the firewood. Attach the 1x2 slats to the back, sides, and front of the shed, leaving a 1-inch gap between them for airflow. Drill pilot holes to prevent splitting, then secure the slats with 1 5/8-inch screws. Align everything evenly for a clean, modern look. With the roof installed and the enclosing slats in place, your modern firewood shed is complete and ready to keep your wood dry and neatly stacked. This sturdy 6x12 structure provides ample storage for up to 3 cords of firewood while allowing proper airflow for efficient drying. With its durable frame, slatted design, and weather-resistant metal roof, this shed will serve you well for years to come. Now you can enjoy easy access to dry firewood all season long while adding a functional and stylish element to your outdoor space. You can find the full plans, complete with detailed diagrams, cut lists, and shopping lists, on my blog at myoutdoorplans.com. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other project videos on the channel for more DIY inspiration. Until next time, build your outdoor world.